Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be drawing Holly Pedlar, an Instagram and fashion model from Wales. She seems to reside in Cardiff, the capital city. Her Instagram is @HollyPedlar. She's got over 220,000 followers with over 700 posts. She also seems to model for a bunch of different fashion and makeup brands, so please be sure to check out her Instagram page if you're interested. I decided to draw her today, not only because she's of course very beautiful, but also because her big brown eyes, together with those huge eyelashes, really caught my attention while I was scrolling through my Instagram feed. She also happens to have my favorite hairstyle in this picture, namely the updo, so I'll really do my best to try and capture her beauty as much as I can in my portrait. Now, before I start drawing this girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that this drawing will turn out well, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.